working in MAS Holdings, 18 months part of it, as an executive merchandiser in the VS Pink bra section. I pursued my degree from ANC Education from North University, Michigan. So I must say that the degree that I pursued at ANC was international business, and it covered so much of international topics that is so important for international students, especially if you're into the international business area, like working in MAS or Nestle or maybe like a multinational company. The best degree for you to pursue would be the international business degree. You can also pair it up with maybe like a minor in marketing or something like that. But then I took the whole degree as international business. So I would definitely say that there were so many components, like the subjects such as international marketing, international finance, international business, international law, that helped me to come to where I am today. So when I went for my first interview at MAS, Malana, the first question they asked me was, what's my university that I took my degree? So when I said Northwood University, they definitely knew where Northwood was from, even though they didn't know the state, but they knew it was a US university and it's a recognized university and all of those things. So when I first told them that the degree, then they asked me what kind of degree I have done and what are the extracurricular activities at ANC. So when I said that I danced at the graduation ball and I was in the business club and various other societies, they were extremely happy to accept me because they knew that my the mindset of me working in the company was very international. So to begin with, if I say about the subject covers so many elements that you would need to know to work in an international company. Like I said before, international business. So in international business, they taught you, it was not only theoretical. There was so many practicality in it where they gave us assignments right throughout, quizzes, online quizzes, like little minor assignments where we had to work with teams. So it was not an isolated degree. I got my degree by working with teams, and it was really good to meet other people. It was a lot of going around, talking to people, talking to our lecturers. We had to go to companies, we had to interview the CEO or maybe someone really big in the company to get their insights about the companies. So when you take the Australian and the US system, the Australian system is very rigid. It's only about your degree, whereas the US system, your first year is all your general subjects, which gives you overall view. And also you can change your major later on, whereas the Aussie system does not allow you to do that. So I really wanted to do business from the start. So if first year of my degree was physics, English, chemistry, American enterprise. We had all the subjects that you need to know for your general knowledge to improve. There were so many subjects. Later on, second and third and the fourth year was your majoring. So basically in your fourth year is where you get all your international subjects, like I mentioned before. It gave me so much of opportunities to meet people, to go and talk to the lecturers. The lecture panel at ANC is amazing. They're all top-notch lecturers who have had really good qualification, who their education background is excellent. So especially we had people coming in for guest lecturers, which was also a good thing because it was not only about our lecturer. So we had other people coming in as well to give their insights. So if I talk about the lecture panel at ANC, they had so much of education and so much of experience where they didn't teach the children, but they gave their practical knowledge to the kids. So we as students knew what kind of workplace that we would want to go and how we need to go and act in those workplaces. And also talking about ANC, like the curricular activities, apart from the education, we have so much of societies like the business club, the road track, like the science club. You have so many little societies that made you so active in uni life. If you don't have something like that, it's no point. It's only about studies. So my batch was very involved in all these societies, and we used to go on trips, we used to do little projects to collect money, we used to have dance cells. So it was really united. Uni life is really fun, especially because when you have a good group of friends, it's easy to work. So I would definitely say that ANC is a good option for the people who are looking forward for an higher education place. And I must say the staff and the people who were there to help us from the start, from my counselors, from to the finance department, the SAO, everyone was excellent. They are so helpful. Like you can never ask for anything more. There was a separate person to track your progress. I don't think any other place in Sri Lanka would give you that opportunity, and she herself calls you and tells you, you haven't gone for this amount of classes, can I know the reason? Is there anything else that we can do? Do you need any other curricular classes? Do you need extra classes? Do you need extra help? So it was such a good, your mentality to come to uni life is really stable. I love to come to ANC every single day. Not because of anything, it's because of my friends, it's because of the lecturers, it's because of what I'm going to study, and every day when you come here, it was something new because our cafeteria is excellently done, it's superb. I mean, you know, we have like a really good cafeteria, we have pool tables, we have sofas, so we can go in anytime to the cafeteria and spend time. And also the classrooms, if you take, it's very equipped. You know, it has a good projector, and it is it's spacious. You know, it's so much of, there are so much of facilities at the ANC. And also talking about the graduation ball, I can never not talk about that graduation ball. We have the best graduation ball, I could say that, like point blank, we have the best, because we have really good speakers who come in as chief guests to give their insights. And also we have high achievers awards, we get awarded for transferring, and we also get our we also have our graduation certificates given at that time, and after that it's after party. So it's a lot of meeting up with people, past students, your future, like, you know, the ones who are going to join ANC, so you can talk to them, you can talk to the lecturers. So it's a lot of, like, you know, meeting up, talking. So ANC ball is a must go, and I would say that's the best. And also if I talk about my say education, you know, I was not that great from the start, but after I came to ANC with the lecturers and with the insights, I was self-motivated to go better. And I also got the High Achievers Award in 2012. It's not because of anything, it's because of my lecturers, because they were really helpful, they were motivated, and also I was self-motivated because of the way they motivated me. So I could definitely say, like, the staff, I mean the lecturer panel at ANC is excellent. And also I would say that you should always do your work on time. That's a must thing. Do your work, and also read up on different things, read up on whatever you like to, like, you know, share in classes, because the lecturers also ask what have you learned new, you know, so it's very interactive. It's not a boring class like any other university would do. And also I would say finally that the people who have finished school and who are finding university, definitely try ANC. It's nothing like trying. Come try it out, come speak to our counselors. Our counselors are, you know, approachable anytime. They will definitely help you. They will also do a career test. If you're undecided, so there's another thing. If you're undecided, ANC will definitely help you to understand what kind of career you want to pursue in life. You know, they'll give you like a small career test where you will fill out, and they will personally talk to you, personally help you find out what kind of degree you want to do. And if ANC does not have it, and if you can transfer to another university without doing it here, they will even help you in that way. So I would definitely say, as a graduate and as a person who's working at MAS, very proudly, definitely take up ANC and try out the opportunities given by ANC. Thank you.